So consider non-ideal solutions. Here the characteristic features are, the first one is these solutions does not obey Raoult's law. So non-ideal solutions will not obey Raoult's law. That means PA is not equal to P0A XA and PB is not equal to P0B XB and PT is not equal to PA plus PB. So non-ideal solutions will not obey Raoult's law. And second point is delta V mixing, volume mixing is not equal to 0. And the third point is delta H mixing, enthalpy of mixing is also not equal to 0. So these are the three characteristic features of non-ideal solution. So let's see the reasons. So what are the reasons for non-ideal behavior? So the reason is actually there is solvent solute interaction in the case of solution and also solute interaction and solvent interaction. So in a solution there are different types of interaction, that means solvent solute interaction, solute interaction and solvent interaction. That means if solvent is represented by A and solute is represented by B, there is AB interaction and BB interaction, and if this is A, there is AA interaction. So AB interaction and BB interaction, AA interactions are there in a solution. So in the case of non-ideal solution, this AB interaction is not equal to BB interaction and AA interaction. So in the case of non-ideal solution, the solute-solvent interaction or solvent-solute interaction is not equal to solute-solute interaction and solvent-solvent interaction. So in the case of ideal solution, this is nearly equal. But in the case of non-ideal solution, these interactions are not equal. That means solute-solvent interaction or solvent-solute interaction is not equal to solute-solute interaction and solvent-solvent interaction. So this is the reason for non-ideal behavior.